Slam, slam. Meaning, to strongly and publicly criticize someone or something. The opposition slammed the new policy. The president slammed the allegations. Vow, vow. Meaning, to make a strong and serious promise. The president vowed to take action. She vowed to fight corruption. Pledge, pledge. Meaning, to formally promise something, often publicly. The leader pledged support. The government pledged funding. Allegation, allegation. Meaning, a claim that someone did something wrong, but it hasn't been proven. There were serious allegations against him. He denied the allegations. Probe, probe. Meaning, an official investigation. The government started a probe. Police launched a probe into the case. Corruption, corruption. Meaning, dishonest or illegal behavior by people in power. The country is fighting corruption. People are protesting against corruption. Coalition, coalition. Meaning, a group of political parties working together. The coalition formed the new government. The coalition agreed on the plan. Policy, policy. Meaning, an official plan or set of rules made by a government or organization. The new policy will affect everyone. Many people disagree with the policy. Reform, reform. Meaning, a change made to improve a law, system, or organization. The minister announced major reforms. Many people support political reform. Sanctions, sanctions. Meaning, official penalties imposed by one country or organization on another country, group, or individual. The country is facing economic sanctions. Sanctions hurt trade relations. Bill, bill. Meaning, a proposed new law that is being discussed or voted on. Parliament debated the bill. The bill was passed yesterday. Opposition, opposition. meaning the political party or group that challenges and criticizes the government. The opposition strongly opposed the bill. The opposition criticized the decision. Suspect. Suspect. Meaning, a person who is believed to have committed a crime. Police arrested the main suspect. The suspect is in custody. Arrest. Arrest. Meaning, to take someone into police custody. Officers arrested 2 suspects. He was arrested for theft. Be charged with. Be charged with. Meaning, to be officially accused of a crime. He was charged with fraud. She was charged with theft. Trial. Trial. Meaning, a court process in which a judge or jury decides if someone is guilty or not guilty. He appeared in court for his trial. The trial lasted 2 months. Convict. Convict. Meaning, to officially declare someone guilty of a crime in court. The court convicted him. She was convicted of robbery. Sentence. Sentence. Meaning, the punishment given by a court after someone is found guilty. She was given a life sentence. He is serving a prison sentence. Witness. Witness. Meaning, a person who sees a crime or event happen. The witness spoke in court. A key witness changed his statement.